I've made progress on the mudroom. Come on. Pepe here. Hasn't been in any of my videos for a while, have you? But I'm actually in your territory. That's why you're here. Yes, because you just had some supper. So what have we done so far? We have prepared the walls. Anything that doesn't have a cabinet in front of it, we have skim coated it and sanded it. We've also done the electrical plan, and that means changed where plugins were and moved them so that they're easily accessible. And in one instance, we even put a electrical outlet within the cabinet so that I can hang up and charge my rechargeable vacuum. It's things like this that make all the difference. The overhead lights had to be moved. I think I mentioned that at the last video. So those are done, and now they make sense for when the cabinets come in. I purchased a light, and this took me hours of research because lighting is like an earring. In this case, it actually kind of looks like an earring that I'm going to put beside this door above the countertop. Finding that special light takes time, and I did this mostly when I was watching TV at night. It's kind of a mindless activity where I just was paging through literally hundreds of different lights and different websites. We took the baseboards off that need to be removed and resized, and a second round of measuring happened. I would say 70% of the cabinets have been made and delivered. A second measurement just for the fine tuning happened so that, especially if you're going wall to wall with cabinetry, every little bit matters. I'm 90% decided on a paint color, and that too takes time and trial and error, and I bought small containers of test paint and put it on the walls and really made sure that it is something that I want to commit to. So I would recommend that you do that. And also hardware. I have been sourcing out my poles for the cabinets, and this as well is not to underestimate the difficulty of this and the commitment. It is like the jewelry of the room. I think there's certainly the potential, any kind of light that dangles or hangs off of a wall, or your hardware, all has to be coordinated and really thought out. Over the next 2 weeks, this is when it's all coming together. So I wanted to do this part 2 just so that I could share the full progress with you. I will be over the moon to show you part 3. See you then. Look who we have here. Mr. Pepe. It's not having any of this. Although I am putting a nice little spot for your food, you know. Yeah. When we go to spray it, it will... Here, come here. And by the way, if you like this video, show me that you like it by giving me the thumbs up. It lets me know. Please share my channel with friends of yours.